Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Our physical body is made by mixing five elements of nature. Out of them, the earth is an element that provides stability to life. How often, when we feel stressed, sad, or depressed, we like to visit a quiet place that holds flowers, trees, birds, and flowering river near the site. We feel relaxed at home in nature's lap. Out of different ways to connect with the nature, gardening is a nature technology where we interact with nature through planting, seeding, harvesting, and by appreciation of the beauty of nature. Gardening is a art of growing plants and vegetables a small piece of land. Gardening is mostly done either is the backyard or front space of the house. Some people plants flowers to decorate their garden. Gardening gives us fresh and healthy vegetables. Gardening helps to produce happy hormones in the human body. Gardening is a good way to keep oneself engaged with nature. It also helps in maintaining good physical fitness. Gardening is also good for mental health and peace. Many people prefer gardening as their hobby. Organic gardening, manager, and gardening, kitchen gardening, etc., are some type of gardenings. In the other way, gardening is gardening is a bounded piece of land which is situated either in the front or back side of our home. The art of planting trees, flowers, grass, shrubs, and vegetables by using fertilizers, small agriculture tool in a limited space of our home is called gardening. And gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as a therapy that helps us our body in increasing the happy hormones levels. Gardening helps us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for our needs. Vegetables grow in our garden are more healthy, tasty, nutrients, and chemical free. We can easily grow. And thanks for watching my channel.